Frequency distribution. Frequency of an observation. The number of times a particular observation occurs in a given data is called its frequency. Note: for counting we use 4 tally marks and the 5th tally marks is entered as by crossing diagonally the 4 tally marks already entered. Study the given example. The number of members in 20 families are given below: 4, 6, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 4, 4, 6, 7, 3, 5, 5, 7. Prepare a frequency distribution of the data. Explanation. Arranging the data in ascending order, we get the observations as 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7. We find that 3 occurs 4 times. We say that the frequency of 3 is 4. 4 occurs 4 times. We say that the frequency of 4 is 4. 5 occurs 7 times. We say that the frequency of 5 is 7. 6 occurs 3 times and we say that the frequency of 6 is 3. 7 occurs 2 times. We say that the frequency of 7 is 2. The frequency distribution table of the above data may be presented as given below. Number of member 3, tally marks 4, number of families 4. Number of member 4, tally marks 4, number of families 4. Number of member 5, tally marks 7, number of families 7. Number of member 6, tally marks 3, number of families 3. Number of member 7, tally marks 2, number of families 2. Total number of families 20. Pictograph. The information collected in many cases is called data. The two forms which are generally used for presenting data are tables, graphs. We have already studied frequency distribution tables in the previous concept. Now we represent data graphically as following. Pictograph. A pictograph represents data through pictures of objects. It helps in answering the questions on the data at a glance. Study the given example. Pictorial representation of data using symbols. Explanation. How many cars were produced in the month of August? Answer. 300. In which month were maximum number of cars produced? Answer. September. Bar graph. Bar graphs. Single bar. Bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data in the form of rectangles or bar of equal width and varying heights. Study the given example. 70 students from a locality use different modes of transport to go to school as given below. Draw the bar graph representing the above data. Explanation. Taking the mode of transport along the x-axis and the number of students along the y-axis, these bars may be drawn as shown below. Study the given example. A display of information using bars of uniform width, their heights being proportional to the respective values, where bar heights give the quantity for each category and bars are of equal width with equal gaps in between. Explanation. What is the information given by the bar graph? Answer. Number of students in class 6 with academic years. In which year is the increase in the number of students maximum? Answer. In academic year 2004-2005. In which year is the number of students maximum? Answer. In academic years 2007-2008. State whether true or false. The number of students during 2005-2006 is twice that of 2003-2004. Answer. False.